You have to open the book at page 292. The title of the story is Union is Strength. It is about the old man and his son. I'm going to read it. An old man had 3 sons who were always quarreling to each other. His father often told him how foolish it was to waste time quarreling, but they gave little heed to him. One day he called them together. He produced a bundle of sticks and told them each to try to break it into 2 pieces, but so closely were the sticks bound together that none of them succeeded in breaking the bundle. The father then untied the bundle and told his sons to break the sticks separately. This they were easily able to do. Then he said to them, "See, my sons, what wonderful power there is in keeping together. If you are joined closely in friendship, no one can hurt you. But if you are quarreling all the time, people can easily injure you." So students, the moral of the story is union is strength.